In today's video, we'll be looking at the results of our $500 long position we took yesterday and looking at the price action of Bitcoin and Ethereum charts, doing technical analysis and spotting opportunities that jump to us in the current price action that we see in today's video. Looking at right now at the Bitcoin chart, we had a huge jump yesterday from our $105,000 levels, and we got rejected at that levels, and now we have turned that into resistance, and we seem to have created a support, and we bounced off the support of $102,000 levels. Let's take a look at the trade I took yesterday and the results of it, and I was able to spot that, and I got hit. My take profit got hit at $105,300 levels as we anticipated, and we were able to correctly spot that Bitcoin would go to that levels and test it, and that is what happened. But we got rejected there, and now we have seen a further dump to the downside, and we are now bouncing at the $102,000 levels. This is showing us that the market is currently weak, is currently bearish. Looking at the Ethereum chart, also same thing happened in Ethereum. We seem to have been rejected around the $2,500 levels, and right now we bounced at 2,300 thereabout levels, and right now we seem to be in an indecisive position and looking for further downside. Looking at the RSI, we seem to be bottoming out and going further down. So this is what we are seeing in the chart, that right now we seem to be anticipating and looking at positions to create a short in the market. So what we are anticipating and what I am anticipating is a pull up to $104,100 levels, where we will face another local resistance before we finally go downwards to the $102,000 levels. And I have created a short position here that I'm thinking about, and this is what is showing us. We are right now on the 15-minute chart. We are bouncing off the 50 MA, so I expect us to go again to test the resistance of $103,800 thereabout $1,000 levels before we have a pullback down and we get rejected there, before we have a pullback to the $102,000 levels. And this is the trade that is jumping at us, and this is what we'll be entering in the trade right now. We'll be setting a limit order of this at $103,800 $1,000 levels and a take profit of $102,970 levels with a tight stop loss at $104,150 levels, and we'll be entering a short because we can see that right now we have a bearish movement in the chart across all charts, and as you can see across the whole cryptocurrency market, there's a lot of bearish sentiment and a lot of bearish price action in many altcoins. As you can see with SPX, Fatcoin, and the rest, there's a lot of things. We have entered our trade and it is open orders. It was a limit order where it will be triggered once we get to the top of around $103,800 levels. That's when our short position will be triggered, and we'll be in that trade. So we'll be looking forward to this. Right now we see in all the charts there's a lot of bearish sentiment, a lot of bearish price action, and this is what we're looking at. We'll be looking at taking profit at those levels of $102,970 levels, and we'll be celebrating when the market is nuking, because at every time when the market is nuking or when the market is pumping, there's opportunity that jumps for us. As you can see, I've given you these positions. These are the trades to make. These are opportunities for us to make money in these trades, in Bitcoin, in Ethereum. All of them are short, all of them is bearish. We'll be looking forward to updating you on the results of this trade, of this short position we have taken today. I hope you are with me and you are following me along in this video, making money from this volatile asset. We'll catch you in the next video, and make sure you like and subscribe so that you can follow me on this our journey from zero to Ferrari. See you tomorrow. Peace.